Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assessing the stain and acting fast. Check the sofa tag for W, S, WS, or X so you know which solvents are safe. Once done, firmly blot any fresh ink with a paper towel to lift surface ink. Do not rub, which spreads dye. Next, test your chosen cleaner on an inconspicuous seam for 10-15 seconds to confirm color fastness. This prevents larger damage later and lets you choose water-based or solvent-based action confidently. Now you remove the stain using a controlled, layered approach. For water-safe fabrics, mix equal parts dish soap and water and apply with a clean cloth, blotting inward from the edges toward the center to avoid spreading. For solvent-only fabrics, dampen a microfiber with isopropyl alcohol and dab gently. Keep the area minimally wet so padding isn't soaked. Alternate blotting and fresh cloths until no more ink transfers, and make sure to change to clean sections of the cloth. Finish by rinsing any cleaning residue with a slightly damp cloth and blotting dry to avoid rings. Make sure to remove cleaner so fabric breathes and dye doesn't redeposit. Once mostly dry, air dry upright, or use a low-heat hair dryer held 12-18 inches away to speed drying without shrinking. If a ghost of ink persists after careful repeats, stop and consult a professional, especially for X-coated fabrics, because aggressive solvents or overworking the area can permanently damage fibers or color.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.